Hello there, everyone. Welcome to the BarkBox Facebook Live here at Canine Country Academy. Tonight, joining me is one of our toy fox terriers, Panzer. Hey, Panzer. He is super excited. He got to be the chosen one. Good to be the chosen one. I know. So, guys, if you're not getting a BarkBox, that's totally fine. We'll set you up with a subscription that benefits us. We get more BarkBoxes if other people subscribe, and they range in price depending on how many months you get. So I'll post that in the comments down below, all of the information you need if you want your own BarkBox. You could get a BarkBox, or you could get, like us, a Super Chewer BarkBox. I have not looked inside this. I cut the tape earlier today, and then I was super tempted to go ahead and open it up, but I really like sharing it with you guys, and I like to see the reaction that the dog of choice gets. So Panzer is going to assist. He's a 6-pound toy fox terrier. I thought I knew what terriers were like until we got this guy and his brother, Norby, and they are full-on terrier. Anytime you make something smaller, I think it just like intensifies it. So, where'd he go? Where's Panzer? Hey, Panzer. Ooh, you want to get in this BarkBox? So it's a once-a-month subscription. Here, bud. If you pay it all up front the first time when you register, it's cheaper versus month to month. So we have a 6-month subscription. I know. Ooh, let's see. And we did the Super Chewer so that we get a little bit more tough toys and chews. You get 2 treats, bags of treats that are BarkBox specific, and you get 2 chews and 2 toys. All right, you ready, kid? Super ready. Yeah. So inside your BarkBox, you're gonna have a sheet. They do a theme every month, so we'll see what the theme is. I have no idea, but we'll pull this out at the end. It's kind of fun. Whoa, you're already seeing all the things. So let's just dig in. You wanna come over here, kiddo? All right, because they want to see your cute little face. He's like, yes, I'm gonna eat all the things. So this is a Jones Natural Chew. This is a jerky. Oh, it's a 2-pack. Okay, cool. And I'll show you guys each of these things. I know, you can't eat it all right now. So this is a jerky. It's pretty big, and there's 2 of them. So that'll be nice, because then we have 4 dogs here, so they can share. We can break them in half probably. So he's really excited about this. What's nice about BarkBox is they do US-based products, so you don't have to worry. I'm gonna have to put this somewhere else. Otherwise it's gonna be goner. All right, let's see what else we have. He's so excited. I don't know what the theme is. Let's look at that. Oh, it's Shakespeare in the dog park. I think it's cute, the little things that they do. So here's that. And it has a little something about it. Has like a little ode in here. And then they also have a bark shop that you can buy other things that didn't come in your box. So different toys and whatnot. So there's a list here of some different cute little toys that you could get in addition to your BarkBox if you wanted. All right, let's see what we get. So, oh my goodness, this is too much. A free bonus item. He's gonna look like Shakespeare. We're gonna do it to him. But we'll wait till we get the treats out because he does not like wearing things. We'll take the tag off. He's gonna think it's something to destroy. He is not a fan of wearing things. So be ready for this because it's probably gonna be very short-lived. All right, let's get to the treats. Let's get to the treats. Do you guys do a BarkBox or a monthly box? There's a lot of different kinds out there. I've tried several of them, but right now we're doing the BarkBox Super Chewer. So this is All's Well That Ends Well bacon. So this is bacon and spinach, dog treats. It doesn't have any products in it that you would try to not have, but it's pork, potato flour, tapioca, starch, coconut glycerin, flaxseed. So I can read those things. That's really important. And the most important thing is the taste test from the dog. Panzer is not picky. I wish you guys could see his face. I might have to change the camera so you can see the intensity of his face. It's like his eyeballs are going to pop out of his head. If your dog has a food allergy, they will also ask you that, or you can let them know. Their customer service is phenomenal. Okay, I have to give them a sniff first. They look weird. And they smell like spinach. So we'll give him one because he's being a very good boy. He's not barking at me. Good boy. So I'll show you guys what they look like. They're bizarre looking. So there's I don't really know what they're supposed to be. Does anybody know what that's supposed to be? Whoa, can you eat this one I gave you, honey? I don't know what it is. It looks like a check mark or something. Can you go get that? I'm picky because I'm typically the one who gives out treats around here. So if they stink, I'm kind of like, well, the dogs like them, but I don't want to handle them too much. So it's kind of hard, a little bit chewy. Panzer's eating it a little bit off camera. He's so short. I'd have to like lay on the floor and show you guys this stuff. He's like, it's all right. We'll try it with the other dogs too later. That's what's nice. It's enough stuff you can share. This, oh my gosh, ham leg, too much, so cute. This is another pork product, rice flour, peas, coconut glycerin, flaxseed, molasses, etc. And let's see what these look like. Oh, that's not what I expected. Interesting. Smells just so-so. They are almost like little stars. You guys can see that. So we could probably break these up. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. They make me think of like not a granola bar, but like a Luna bar or something. Something kind of gooey. So it doesn't break apart really well. It is pretty chewy. He likes that better than the other one. Good job, bud. He says, I'm going to eat it, though, because, you know, it's my turn in front of the camera, right? Even though he's hiding off camera. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, my goodness. Oh, we love Happy Howie's. So, Happy Howie's products are really nice. I have not seen this before. This is a jumbo turkey sausage, so I'm going to have to cut this up because everyone's going to want some of this. They make amazing treats. I like to buy their logs and cut them up for treats. I've been using those lately. But this is a big sausage link, basically. The ingredients are turkey, rice flour, sodium lactate, salt, sugar, dried cultured skim milk, garlic. Here, bud. I know, he's like, oh, I'd really like that. So I definitely would not give my small dogs a whole one of these. That would be a disaster. But we will split it up. We'll have to cut it. He's very excited about that. All right, let's see what else we have in here. So that was 2 bags of treats and 2 chews. If you're keeping track, ooh, let's see what we get. The one challenge I've had lately with this, oh, this is bizarre looking, with the Super Chewers is the toys tend to be kind of heavy. This is for the small dogs. I think it goes up to 20 pounds. So at our house, we have Panzer, he's 6 pounds, and then Curly is 20 pounds. So when they are small, this is pretty heavy. I don't know how much it weighs, but it is substantial. So here's, that's creepy, right? And it's got a little hole, so let's see what it says it is. Poor Yorick Skull. I guess if you're into Shakespeare, you might know what that is, and maybe I should know what it is. It's natural rubber, it's a treat holder, or you can throw it. So this could be really good to put your bully stick in and let them chew it, so that way they don't get down to the nub. So you could do that. I guess we could do this giant sausage if you were gonna let your dog gnaw on that a bit. But this is interesting. We'll see what they think of it. All right, oh my goodness, what is this? Food of Love Loot. It's a treat dispenser. So we really like treat dispensers. Oh, it's very heavy though. So this might go to a bigger friend. We'll let them try it. But it's definitely heavy. So I need to give them that feedback, or we need to switch boxes. It's pretty heavy. I guess it's gonna roll. It almost looks like ham at first, but it is like a little guitar thing, a little music. So you can put your treats in there and then they can wobble it. So it's very simple, but I like food dispensing toys. So he can check it out. And the purpose of getting a Super Chewer is so they can't destroy it right away. So I like that, but then you have the trade-off if it's really heavy. Okay, so now for the moment you've all been waiting for. First we'll do this. So here's a little scene you can see here. So these are very cute. They put a lot of thought into this, and I like that. And these boxes are phenomenal for, you guessed it, scent work. So keep your bark boxes. Okay, Mr. Panzer, we are going to torture you just a tad, if you'll let us. We're going to see if he'll put his head through this. He may not, so you might have to wait for a photo later with a different dog. Here, look, what's this? Whoa. He says, I don't know. He knows I'm up to no good. No surprise, he says. No surprise. This would be adorable, but he might not let us put it on. So what are some things that you guys like about getting a subscription box, or maybe not like about getting a subscription box? I've tried the pet treater. Hannah and I were trying different ones, I think back in summer or maybe spring of last year. And we just had different reviews. It was interesting to see. I will post this to YouTube, and so if you're watching it on YouTube, I'll also post a playlist of other boxes that we've done reviews on. There was one box that we did, I think it was the pet treater, and you got a human thing. So I got a thing to put your blankets in and then, you know, kind of compress it. I've got a couple of different things, but this is specific just to the dog. I know. Look at this. You try? He's like, I don't like things on my body, Mother. You try it? Oh my goodness, you look like a flower. Here, Panzer. I'll take it off. Oh my goodness, I have to show you guys. It fell off. It was hilarious, but he did not like it. He was not a fan. He looked like a little flower. So these treats are not what he needs to put something like that on. So this is what we got in our April 2019 Super Chewer box. And I'll post all the links down below regarding how to get your own if you want to use our link to get us free boxes. If you have any questions, post them in the comments down below. Again, their customer service is great. When I gave them some feedback about a different toy, they actually sent us an extra toy because I ended up giving the other one away because it was too big. So I need to maybe reassess, and maybe I don't do a Super Chewer. I'll probably get back to them and find out, you know, what they recommend, since these things are a little bit too heavy for our guys. And I don't want to get something that's something no one will use. Or we'll gift it, that's fine too. But they like to enjoy a few things and then share them, right? So you're welcome, Lynn. Thank you for tuning in to our live feed. We like to share different things in the community and different fun things, because even though we want our dogs to be well behaved and well mannered and connected to us, we also want to have fun with them. And one way to do that is through a BarkBox, right? Or any other kind of box. I hope to see you guys end of April 28th for the Paint Your Pet. So hopefully you are signed up for that. If not, check out our events section and sign up for that. We likely will have another, because we have people who can't make it and they've already asked, hey, can we do a different one? And we like to do things with you guys, and we like to support other local businesses. It's a great family who own the Art for Life in Buford. So I know you're gonna have a great time. I'll be there actually painting this guy, and we will maybe do a live there and say hi to everybody who couldn't make it. But that is really fun. It's $35. It's really nothing. We get to bring snacks of our choice and beverages, even adult beverages if you so choose. And it's just a good time to hang out with like-minded people. So hope you guys can join that. Again, if you have any questions, if there's anything we can do to support you and your dog and your relationship with them, please do not hesitate to reach out. We have so many ways to contact us. And if you're watching this on YouTube later, make sure to subscribe so you get the next alert when we post the next video. Bye, guys.